So in the previous class, we have been discussing about product life cycle. Here we will see closed loop manufacturing cycle. Introduction, growth, maturity, decline, back to introduction. So far we have seen PLC. It is linear and this is PLC. And each stage has labor, material, resource, other things, and it has waste outputs which affect the environment. Say for example, so many companies, they do not know where to deposit their waste, and they are some of the companies are also depositing in the ocean and sea, and that is causing toxic effects to marine life. So the marine ecosystem is getting affected, and when marine ecosystem gets affected, our terrestrial ecosystem also will definitely get affected. So researchers assert that introduction stage, where design takes place, determines 70 to 90% of life cycle cost. Okay, at this stage, the manufacturers can remove excess waste and continue to develop sustainable manufacturing practices. So the most attractive manufacturing practice now is sustainable. Use sustainable resources, okay, which can be reused. So these practices should include products being reused, recycled, and remanufactured. With this, you can develop a closed loop manufacturing. Instead of a linear PLC, we can create a circular product life cycle. So how is that done? Introduce, grow, mature, and then decline. Back to introduction. Reuse for introduction. So we need a facility where we can return the mobile phone that I have been using, and I can get some discount for that, and I can be provided with a new phone, and the company must be able to reuse what I have already submitted or what I have given to them. So a closed loop is a natural extension of product life cycle, uh, and it creates a truly full life cycle. Okay, it takes the outdated or used product and converts it into raw materials, not just assigning it to a waste and then thinking how to dispose it. So many of the closed loop products are downcycled, and products are still recycled, and they are used repeatedly. An example is Dell's Take Back program, which we have heard about, which takes the computers that it manufactures and turns into new computers. Other companies separate out product components, and that is, they, how do we say, dismantle the product and sell to their partners on the commodity market, such as raw materials. We'll see what is commodity market. So such as raw materials, who make them into a new product. So what are the benefits of this closed loop system? First thing, it will not affect the environment. It does not affect the performance or the price. Fewer carbon emissions, and as programs scale, they become cheaper and they are even more effective. So the next class we will see what is commodity.